Have you ever tried building a website and ended up stuck between ugly templates, confusing code, or spending weeks on something that still didn't feel right? What if I told you there's a way to build a complete, responsive, multi-page website in under 2 minutes just by chatting with an AI? Yep, no coding, no dragging and dropping, just natural language. And boom, you have a working website. Wegic AI, the AI tool that's being called your designer, developer, and manager all in one. In this video, I'm diving deep into how it works, testing it live, and showing you how powerful this new generation of AI website builders has become. For context, I've built sites on Webflow, Wix, and even hand-coded HTML. But Wegic claims to automate the entire process with AI. So let's dive in. Here's the deal. Wegic AI acts like your AI web team. You describe your site in plain English, pick a style, and it generates a full prototype in seconds. No templates, no drag and drop, just AI doing the heavy lifting. Wegic is a new AI-powered platform that lets you build and manage full websites just by having a conversation. Imagine talking to ChatGPT, but instead of just answering you, it starts building your brand's site in real time. It's powered by GPT 4o, and it's not just spitting out some code or templates. It generates a fully functional website, custom text, images, layout, responsive across devices, all in under 90 seconds. You tell it what you want. I need a portfolio site for a UX designer, or build me a landing page for my coffee brand. Wegic takes that and gives you something ready to publish. But that's just the start. The crazy part isn't just how fast it is, it's how smart it is. Wegic doesn't just generate a site and leave you hanging. You can go in and literally draw on the screen, circle areas you want changed, or drop in sketches, and it understands what you mean. Want a button moved? Just say it. Want a new section? Type it. It updates everything live. You can upload your own images, change styles, or ask it to rewrite your content in a more fun, professional, or persuasive tone. It even handles SEO basics, color palettes, and device responsiveness behind the scenes. This is more like your personal web dev team answering you in real time. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, solopreneur, or small business owner, Wegic is kind of a game changer. Want to launch a startup landing page by the weekend? Done. Need a client site that looks professional without spending $2,000 on a designer? Also done. Running a blog, a wedding site, an event page, or even a basic e-commerce store? Wegic handles all of that. And if you're building in different languages, the AI supports multi-language content, no translator needed. Here's where things get even more interesting. Wegic doesn't stop once your site is live. It comes with something called the AI Manager. Basically, it acts like your behind-the-scenes web assistant. It keeps your site updated, optimized, and running smoothly even after you publish. You can ask it to tweak your content based on visitor behavior. Need to change a product description? Improve your call to action? You don't touch the code, you just ask the AI. It's kind of like if your website had a built-in growth hacker, except it never sleeps. Wegic recently launched a new feature called Wegic Ultra, and this is where it starts to go beyond websites and into business automation. Wegic Ultra tracks your visitor behavior, automatically improves conversion copy, adds built-in payments using Stripe, and can even engage your visitors with AI chats or lead forms. It's literally turning your site into an automated sales engine. But for a business making thousands of web conversions, it might just pay for itself. But even without Ultra, the free and basic plans are more than enough for most users. While actually a lot of AI-generated website design tools have already existed. Notably, among all these platforms, Wegic is the most simpler and affordable one for all website designers. An advanced tier that analyzes user behavior, optimizes content automatically, adds integrated payments via Stripe, and engages visitors with AI chat or lead forms, all while you sleep. Over 300,000 websites launched across 220 plus countries in the past 6 months. Ideal for users without technical or design experience but want faster and easier website creation. Small businesses, entrepreneurs, bloggers, freelancers, anyone wanting a polished functional web presence. Those interested in growth-oriented features like AI-driven optimization and built-in payments. Wegic AI is a powerful, conversational AI tool for building, publishing, and managing websites quickly and easily. Its new Ultra features add revenue-driving capabilities that set it apart from other no-code builders. It leverages AI to generate, edit, and optimize websites, making it accessible for beginners and professionals alike. Whether you want to edit a blog, showcase your personal portfolio, or promote your online business career or clients, a website can bring several advantages. Let's get hands-on and head over to Wegic AI website. Link is in the description. If you don't have a Wegic account before, then first you need to sign up for a new account with your email address. After completing your profile and reading through Wegic's terms of service, you are now one of the newcomers to this platform. If you already have an account to use Wegic as your website builder, then just log in straightforwardly to get started. As you enter Wegic's homepage, an AI assistant called Kimi will start a conversation with you to define your website's type. You can tell him what kind of website you want to create, such as a digital portfolio, e-commerce store, personal blog, etc. Once you confirm the type of website that you want to create, Kimi will ask you a few questions, including your website's name, its purpose, and base language. If you've already set up these structure-related thoughts in mind, then just give them to Kimi through the dialog box. If not, there's also nothing to worry about. Kimi will recommend you some attractive and suitable choices for you. After this brief conversation, a text will be sent to you with all the details that you guys discussed. You can check whether it fully meets your demand or not. It's okay if you still want to change some of them. Just continue to talk with your AI. To customize your website means to personalize it so it matches your needs and preferences. In this step, Wegic provides a series of options for you to make your website unique and aligned with your personal or brand identity. On each individual page, you can add some new sections such as headers, footers, galleries, menus, and contact forms. In addition, remove any sections that you think are unnecessary for your website. If you are not satisfied with the layout or the existing structure of your website, you can directly let Kimi rearrange it for the cost of 5 credits each time. You may also regenerate it by yourself if you don't want to spend your credits. Notably, most of these changes can be done by Kimi, your assistant. All you need to do is describe your demand to him. He will automatically modify your website. Of course, this will cost you credits. The content of your website, with no exaggeration, decides which level it can gain and how far it can reach. This step involves incorporating diverse types of media and information that will enrich your site's content and make it valuable. This is the most effective and low-cost way to help your website rank a high position in search engines like Google. Therefore, users who search for relative themes will be more likely to see your website. When you finish the creation and design process of your website, it's time to select a domain name before you launch it. Currently, Wegic offers free domain names which you can edit as you want. But you can't take down the badge of Wegic unless you upgrade your account to a paid plan. AI is changing the way we build, create, and grow online, and Wegic is a perfect example of that shift. Whether you're building your first site or your 50th, it cuts out the pain, the guesswork, and the hours you'd normally spend tinkering. I'll drop the link below so you can try it for yourself. And if you end up building something cool with it, let me know in the comments. I'd love to feature some of your work in a future video. If this kind of tech blows your mind like it does mine, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next on IdeaPlex. Catch you in the next one.